Stop paying $5 for cold brew every day. What if you could make smooth, delicious, coffee shop quality cold brew right at home for a fraction of the cost? In today's countdown, we're revealing the 5 best cold brew coffee makers that are making life easier for coffee lovers everywhere. But don't skip ahead. Our number 3 pick is a hidden gem that can save you time, reduce mess, and make brewing cold coffee almost effortless. Ready to find your next favorite coffee gadget? Let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid 38-ounce Cold Brew Coffee Maker. If you're tired of spending money on expensive coffee shop cold brew, the KitchenAid 38-ounce Cold Brew Coffee Maker makes it surprisingly easy to create smooth, rich coffee right at home. Its stainless steel design looks premium on any countertop, while the built-in tap dispenser allows you to serve cold brew directly from the refrigerator without making a mess. The brewing process is simple, and once prepared, the concentrate can be stored for multiple servings throughout the week. The reusable stainless steel steeper helps extract deep coffee flavor while reducing waste from disposable filters. Whether you're enjoying a refreshing iced coffee in the morning or preparing drinks for guests, this system offers both convenience and consistency. For coffee lovers who want a stylish, durable, and easy-to-use cold brew maker, this KitchenAid model delivers excellent performance and long-term value. Number 4. The original Royal Brew Nitro Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Many cold brew fans love the creamy texture of cafe-style nitro coffee but don't love paying premium prices every day. The original Royal Brew Nitro Cold Brew Coffee Maker brings that experience home by transforming ordinary cold brew into a smooth, velvety drink with a rich cascading effect. Built with a durable stainless steel keg design, it uses nitrogen cartridges to create a naturally sweeter taste and creamy mouthfeel without adding sugar or cream. The compact design fits easily into most refrigerators, making it convenient for everyday use. It's a fun and practical option for anyone who wants to elevate their coffee routine and impress guests with barista-style drinks. If you enjoy nitro cold brew and want cafe-quality results at home, this system offers an enjoyable experience that's both unique and cost-effective over time. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Brewing great cold brew can sometimes feel complicated, especially when you're trying to avoid bitterness or weak flavor. The OXO Good Grips Cold Brew Coffee Maker simplifies the entire process with a thoughtfully designed brewing system that consistently produces smooth, balanced coffee concentrate. Its Rainmaker feature evenly distributes water over the coffee grounds, helping improve extraction and flavor consistency. Once brewing is complete, the concentrate drains neatly into a glass carafe that can be stored in the refrigerator for multiple servings. The compact design saves space while remaining easy to clean and maintain. Whether you're new to cold brew or already make it regularly, this system takes much of the guesswork out of the process. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable performance, simple operation, and consistently delicious cold brew at home. Number 2. Cold Brew Coffee Maker. If your family goes through a lot of iced coffee every week, a larger brewing system can save both time and money. This cold brew coffee maker features a generous 1-gallon capacity, allowing you to prepare enough coffee for several days in a single batch. The stainless steel mesh filter helps keep grounds out of your drink while extracting rich coffee flavor. Its sturdy glass pitcher design makes storage simple, and the secure lid helps maintain freshness in the refrigerator. Beyond coffee, it can also be used for iced tea, fruit-infused water, and other cold beverages. The straightforward design means there are no complicated parts or learning curves involved. For households that enjoy cold drinks regularly and want a budget-friendly solution, this cold brew maker offers convenience, versatility, and excellent everyday value. Number 1. Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. One of the biggest frustrations with homemade cold brew is losing freshness after just a few days. The Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker addresses that problem with an airtight seal designed to preserve flavor and aroma for longer periods. Its elegant glass construction gives it a premium look, while the stainless steel filter allows coffee to steep naturally without requiring paper filters. The compact size fits comfortably in most refrigerator doors, making storage easy and convenient. In addition to cold brew coffee, it's also suitable for iced tea and infused beverages. The simple brewing process makes it approachable for beginners, while the quality construction appeals to experienced coffee enthusiasts. If you're looking for a stylish, easy-to-use cold brew system that keeps your coffee tasting fresh and flavorful, the Ovalware is one of the most dependable options available. So, which cold brew coffee maker would you choose? Was it the premium pick, the best value option, or that time-saving number 3 choice? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your favorite. And if you're ready to upgrade your coffee routine, check out the product links in the description for today's best deals and more details. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next top 5 countdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.